Article 22, Protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. This article is divided into two parts. First is deals with the persons arrested under ordinary law of crimes. This part we have seen in our previous video. Now we will see the second part, that is the other part that deals with the persons detained under the law of preventive detention. Article 22 clause 1. It is about the person must be informed before being arrested, and on what grounds the person is arrested, that must be told to him. This is the Article 22 clause 1. 22 clause 2, it is about the person must be produced before the magistrate within 24 hours, including the journey time. These both rights are provided to the person who are detained under ordinary law. Next is the Article 22 clause 3. It is about the clauses 1 and 2 do not apply to. So to whom it doesn't apply to this both person. First is who is an enemy alien, and second is to the person who is arrested or detained under any law providing for preventive detention. Means the person who is arrested under preventive detention, then that person will not be granted these two rights, clauses 1 and 2. Now second is preventive detention. This is Article 22 clause 4. It is about the preventive detention. So what is preventive detention? It means a detention of a person without trial. The object is to prevent him from doing something which is wrong in the eyes of law. Means before doing something the person is arrested. That is the preventive detention. That is the Article 22 clause 4. 22 clause 5. Next is Article 22 clause 5. It is about the detainee should be afforded an opportunity to make a representation against a detention order. Detainee means is a person who is held in a custody. This person should be afforded an opportunity to make a representation against the detention order. This is the right which is given in Article 22 clause 5. Article 22 clause 6. It is about the grounds of detention should be communicated to the detainee. Detainee means the person who is arrested. So on what grounds the person is arrested, that grounds must be communicated with him to the detainee. This is the Article 22 clause 6. However, the facts considered to be against the public interest need not be disclosed. Means this is the exception that those facts which are against the public interest, it mustn't be disclosed. And next is Article 22 clause 7. It is about the procedure to be followed by an advisory board in an inquiry. What procedure must be followed by an advisory board in an inquiry? This is given in Article 22 clause 7. So here we have completed Article 22. Among that we have seen all the clauses from the clause 1 to clause 7.